today I am at Walmart getting some groceries and some things for my family for the week. I'm gonna be going out of town on a work trip on Monday, so I thought I would share a haul with you guys. Okay, so the unfortunate thing about today's grocery trip was that I left my list at home, but Kira saved the day because I texted her and I said, hey, text me a picture of my list so I make sure I didn't forget anything. But there was actually a ton of new stuff, or at least new to me stuff at Walmart today. And maybe it's because I just haven't been in the store for so long. I've been doing grocery pickup, but now I remember why I do grocery pickup, because I spent way more than I intended to. But let me show you what I got. I did get some green grapes. I'm gonna wash those up tonight and put them in the fridge for the kids for the week. I grabbed some bananas, some cucumbers. Kira specifically asked for those. I got some mushrooms for a burger recipe that I'm gonna make for Adam. Some cherry tomatoes, some blueberries. I haven't gotten blueberries in a while, so I just got a big container of these. And then I got 3 pounds of strawberries to wash up. The kids usually go through those pretty quickly. I got a bag of yellow potatoes to make some potato salad with, and then some Honeycrisp apples. We were almost out of apples. I got 2 packs of the sharp cheddar cheese sticks because we were all out, and then 1 package of just the shredded cheddar cheese. This is for tacos. So if there's anything that my teenage daughter likes more than cheese, it's sleeping. And I have to tell you guys, she is the last person in this house, in this family, to get Brooklinen sheets. So I was super excited that they offered to sponsor today's video. You guys know I talk about my Brooklinen sheets all the time. I have tried so many sheets over the years, and these are without a doubt my absolute favorite. We have several sheets for our bed. I also have them on my son Connor's bed, and now Kira has some as well. And don't you guys like this pattern? It's pretty, isn't it? It's really important to me that sheets last a long time, because you honestly spend like a third of your life in bed. If you're a teenager, you probably spend like half of your life in bed. No, I'm just kidding. But Brooklinen sheets actually get softer and softer each time you wash them. I have probably washed my son's and our sheets, I don't know, close to 100 times, and they get softer and softer every time. I love crawling into bed at night. They're so great. Would you believe that Brooklinen sheets have over 100,000 5-star reviews on their website, more than any other bedding company, so you can be confident that you are getting a great product. They have tons of options on their website for different colors and patterns, so you can mix and match. And instead of buying individual items, you can actually save 25% by purchasing a hardcore bundle, which includes a core sheet set, extra pillowcases, and a duvet cover. When I upgraded to duvet covers, I kind of felt like I was a little bougie, but now I'm like hooked on them. The reason I like duvet covers is because you don't have to wash the comforter all the time. You can just take the duvet comforter or the duvet cover off and throw that in the washer, and it saves a ton of time. Brooklinen is offering my viewers a special discount of $20 off any order over $100. You can just click the link in the description box below and use code Chapin. Make sure you check them out. So definitely pick up your Brooklinen sheets. Highly recommend them. And for now, I'm just gonna enjoy this awesome room full of K-pop stars. I have no idea what K-pop is. I got some 93.7 ground beef. I'm gonna make a batch of taco meat out of this, and then burgers out of the other part of it. I grabbed some turkey. So this is the pre-sliced hickory turkey breast. I got 2 packages of that, so it's about 1 pound. And then I haven't purchased this in a while. This is the pre-sliced pepperoni that you can get at the deli at Walmart. It's really good. The kids like to snack on it with cheese and crackers, and these are open because we had some of it for dinner tonight. I also got a couple of packages of the pepperoni panino. The kids like these as well. They were kind of low on Lunchables, but I wanted to get some because the kids can pack those in their lunches this week. So I just got 2 of the pizza ones and 2 of the bologna. And then I got some more applesauce. I got some more milk. I got 2 small containers of half and half. I like to keep one of these upstairs in my office fridge for my Keurig up there, and then one of them will be down here for coffee. This was on the clearance rack. It is the Jack Link's pork strips in spicy dill pickle. So I thought Adam might like to try those. Connor has been loving this fresh mozzarella pearls. When I do like a bento box for his lunch, I'll put a couple of these in one of the slots and he really likes that. I grabbed some sugar-free Jell-O. I haven't purchased these in a while. These are the Clio Greek yogurt bars, so I thought the kids would be happy to put those in their lunch boxes this week. And then I also got some more water flavoring. This is the clear kind. I really recommend this kind if you have kids, because when they squirt it, they can't accidentally squirt it all over their shirt and stain their shirt with red dye. This is the Fresh Cravings Honey Jalapeno hummus. I thought this looked really good. I actually really like the jalapeno hummus from Trader Joe's. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in so long. And so I thought this would be kind of a good substitute for that. So let me know if you've tried this. I don't even know if I've seen this brand at Walmart before. I also got some of the Fritos jalapeno cheddar dip, some butter because we were almost out of that. And then this is also new to me. This is the Market Side loaded nacho dip. It says it's made with cheese, beans, chorizo, salsa, and peppers. There's like a thing on here that says you can heat it up. I don't know that I would heat it up personally. I did try some of it with some tortilla chips just because I wanted to share with you guys how it was. And I like it. I think I would buy it again. I do think it does have that like prepared taste to it. You know, it tastes different than if you make it yourself, but I would say it's pretty good. I got some chicken breasts. I'm going to cook those up for meal prep this week. And then I needed some more Wassa crackers. I really like these. So one of them is only 35 calories. I like to put tuna salad on these, or sometimes I eat them with cottage cheese, or they're good with like Laughing Cow cheese, or you can also put egg salad on them. They have a lot of uses and they're really good if you're watching your calories. I'm gonna make some cookies and I needed M&Ms for those, so I thought it would be fun to get the springtime M&Ms or the Easter ones. And then I got some juicy fruit. So I thought this was like regular sugar gum, but I guess now they've made it sugar free. So it only has sugar alcohol in it. It doesn't have regular sugar. So I thought I would try that. I was like, that's interesting. These are on clearance also. These are the Nix Sticks turkey sticks. I got these for myself. I've never tried these, but I've heard that they're very good. And I'm always looking for like different high protein snacks. So I thought those would be good to have on hand. I got some of the Reese's Puffs treat bars. These are actually a pretty good sweet treat if you're looking for something that's low calorie and you like chocolate and peanut butter. They're only 110 calories each. And then this is also new to me at Walmart. This is the California Pizza Kitchen barbecue ranch dressing. I love the California Pizza Kitchen salad, the barbecue chicken salad. It's so good. The only time I ever really get to eat there is if like I eat there in an airport because we don't have any around here. But I really love that salad. So I thought, well, I'll get this and then maybe I can make a copycat version at home. I got some different soups just to keep in the pantry for quick lunches. Creamy chicken noodle and Italian sausage and potato. And then these are also new to me. These are the Doritos minis. So I actually opened them because I wanted to show you guys, but it looks like a Pringles can, right? But when you look in there, it's actually just like mini Cool Ranch Doritos. So I thought that was kind of interesting. They also had regular mini Doritos, the regular flavor as well. I've seen this on a couple of different weight loss channels that I watch. This is the Halo Top Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. So I thought I'd try this. I'm probably not going to make it for a while, but you just mix it with butter and water, and this is the peanut butter chocolate chip. So let me know if you've tried this before. I heard that it's good. And then they also had a couple different like mug cake mixes there. I didn't pick those up, but I was kind of surprised to see it because I live in a smaller town and we don't always get that kind of stuff. I also picked up some of the raspberry and white chocolate chips. These are the Lily's brand, so they're no sugar added. I don't really have a plan for these. There's no recipe on the back, but I saw them in the Easter section, so I thought they would be fun to use for something at some point. I got some pretzels, some brioche buns for burgers, and then some of the Sara Lee Artisanal bread. I was looking for the Special K protein cereal. I could not find it. I've seen it on the Walmart app, but I couldn't find it in the aisle, so I don't know what was going on with that. But I do like to have cereal before bed sometimes, and I don't think I've ever had this before. This is the chocolate strawberry Special K, so I thought I would grab some of that. I believe I know I've had the strawberry Special K before, but I thought that sounded good. So I got some of these turkey sausage bites. I really like these because the kids take a snack to school, and I'm always trying to find things that aren't just like chips and like junk food like that. Now obviously this is processed meat, however it's like a good high protein snack, and they do taste like the turkey sticks that I normally get from Aldi, so I grabbed those. And then this was also something new that I found, chicken and a biscuit. These are ranch flavored, so we did try them. I like them. Adam said he likes the original ones better. But if you like chicken and a biscuit and you like ranch, you'll definitely like those. I got a couple different containers of mayo. This is new to me at my Walmart also. They've had the Chick-fil-A sauce before, but I've never seen the barbecue. So I got this just because I needed some more barbecue for the fridge. And I saw also that they had the spicy sriracha sauce, which I thought was interesting. I didn't get it, but I was like, oh, that's good that they have that there. And then I thought this was really cute. I have a tiered tray in my foyer that I like to decorate kind of for the seasons. And this one had some nice kind of like springy and summer themes. So I thought this was really cute. I got that. I got some more plastic silverware to have on hand. I always like to have this on hand just for, you can see mine is empty, but just for the kids' lunches and things like that. Because if you send a regular spoon, you know it's probably not going to come back to you, or at least the chances are slim. I got some of these Nudges jerky bones for the dogs, some beef rawhide bones, and then I buy these every so often. These are the Dixie cutting boards. They are disposable. These are good to have, like, what do you call it? Oh, like to like season like raw chicken on and stuff like that. If you're making chicken breasts or you're breading pork chopping, obviously not very eco because they're disposable. They are super convenient. And then I did get some Ice Mountain bottled water for the kids for this week for school. I got some Peeps because I cannot pass up a Peep. They are going to be gone soon because Easter is going to be over, and I definitely needed my Peep fix before the season ends. I got some paper plates. I got some more Kleenex, cherry limeade, zero sugar sparkling water, some Mountain Dew, some Capri Sun. I got some Uncrustables for the kids' lunches, some fish sticks, this Downy, these scent beads. I really like this scent. And then I got some more of these Essential Mist. This is the Airwick brand. You can see I took one out and put it in the diffuser already. This is a pretty cool deal if you are interested and you don't want candles burning in your house. Basically, it just kind of diffuses this essential oil like once every so often, and I think they work really well, so I do recommend those. And then I also got some aluminum pans. These are for when I deliver lasagnas for Lasagna Love. I normally buy them from Costco, and I get them in like a huge pack, but I just haven't been to Costco lately. So that is everything that I got today. If you need some delicious dinner ideas, I've got a video on the screen here where I made 5 freezer meals all with chicken. So check that video out next.